You can earn $1.30 by watching one Google ad. If you watch 10 ads, you can make more than $13. Regular people are cashing out like you and me $2, $6, and even over $10 every minute just by watching Google ads. So like this video and let's get started. Go to this exciting new website where you can earn money by watching Google ads. I'll share the name of this website in a few seconds. This site has already paid out more than $7 million to its users. It has a rating of over 4.8 stars on Google, based on feedback from more than 5,000 real users globally, so you can trust it. This Google Ads website is accessible worldwide, allowing anyone from any location to earn money with it. Please share your country name in the comments below. This will help me make videos that are more related to you and others from your country. The website is swashapp.io. You can find the Swash app by searching on Google or by visiting the URL swashapp.io to reach its homepage. Today, I will share a bonus tip that can help you increase your earnings on the Swash app by 10 times, so stay with me until the end. As you can see, more than 300,000 people are already making money on the Swash app, and it's completely free to use. You can earn money without spending any. By watching Google ads, you get paid for each ad you view. For every ad, you earn points that can be exchanged for gift cards, cash, or cryptocurrency. Depending on your location, you can make anywhere from a few cents to $1.30 per ad. The Swash app works in over 200 countries, allowing you to earn money from anywhere. You can withdraw your earnings through various payment options, including PayPal, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If PayPal isn't an option in your country, you can receive payments directly to your bank account with a Visa debit card. To begin earning money by watching Google ads with the Swash app, follow these steps. First, click the Get Swash button. This will direct you to the Google Chrome web store, where you'll find more than 5,000 positive reviews. Click on Add to Chrome to install the Swash app extension. After that, click Add Extension, and the Swash app will be added to your browser. You will then be taken to the next page. If you are new to Swash, select Yes, I am new here to create a new wallet. This will take you to the Privacy Policy page, where you can read the terms of service and privacy policy. After reviewing, check the box and click the Next button. On the following page, you will see a reminder to keep your private key safe. So make sure to check that box as well and proceed by clicking Next. Next, you will need to provide your gender, age, and household income. Then click Next again. After that, sign up with your email. Use a valid email since a verification code will be sent to it. Enter your email, check the I am not a robot box, and click the Submit button. Copy the verification code from your email and click Verify. Once verified, you will see a message saying your Swash wallet has been created. Next, scroll down a bit and click on Turn Swash on to access your Swash profile. It will look like this, but currently it states that only verified members can withdraw their earnings. To withdraw, verify your phone number and complete your profile. But you can start making money by watching ads on Google. Just click on the Earn More option on the left side. Then select Earn from ads on that page. You will get paid for viewing ads in your browser. This will lead you to a new page where you need to enable all three options shown there. As you can see, I have already turned on these three options to earn money online. When you first install the extension, the options won't be active on your profile. So be sure to enable all three options to start seeing Google ads and earn money online with the Swash app by watching those ads. Once you activate these options, you'll see banner ads while browsing, whether you're on websites, watching YouTube, or reading blogs. These ads come from the Swash app extension and appear on your Google search page. The best part is you don't need to click on the ads to earn your money. You'll automatically get paid for each ad displayed in your browser. But you can click on them if you want, but it won't change your earnings. To earn 10 times more than others, click on the Earn More option. Here, you'll find additional ways to make money besides watching Google ads. So you can earn by completing surveys, installing apps and games, and finishing various tasks. You can also earn by referring friends and family to the Swash app using your referral link. Plus, there's a new feature coming soon that will allow you to earn money through their mobile app. Take advantage of these three options to maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching.